Yulia Jensen is here, interior designer, working with Rona, amongst other things. That
Yes.
you do, right? But you're one of the, there's a bunch of designers connected with Rona, correct?
That's correct. Yep, I'm part of the Rona Group of 7, and
Yeah, I
I
like to
represent
call you the
Ottawa.
Magnificent Seven.
Hey, I'll take it.
That's
I'll
kinda
take
cool.
it. I'll take it.
The Rona Group of 7.
Yeah.
So different designers, different sort of looks, different things you can do?
7 different designers from across Canada. I'm
Yeah.
here to represent Ottawa, and we're going to talk about some of Rona's trendy items and
Yeah.
trend colors.
And it's not, the red and white theme we're going to talk about, not based on Canada Day, but it's a trend right now, isn't it?
It definitely is. I thought it was good timing with Canada Day, but
Yeah.
it's absolutely a trend. White and red decorating is really hot for 2013.
Right. What are some of the coolest things you found? I see, what's this, drapes?
Yeah, these are drapery panels, and these are
yeah.
all, you know, what you want to be careful with trendy colors is that you don't want to overload with trend because you don't want to get tired of things quickly. So the great thing about some of these products are they're not investment pieces. So you can buy them, you can have them up for a year,
while.
take it down. So yeah, this is a
Drapes
drapery
are like
panel.
that, eh?
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
Because it's quite bold, and you know, you may not want to
Yeah,
live
but
with
it's
this
nice.
for the rest of your life.
It's not
but,
overpowering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
You kind of set that off with a little less red?
yeah, exactly. So I wanted to show the red and whites because white isn't white. There's lots of whites. And people
You're
say,
right.
I want it white.
So, yeah.
And look, I mean, this is Rona's white collection. That's just part of it. So those are all
Yeah.
considered white. So
Is there one white in here? Let me see. Is that it?
they're all white.
Okay, good.
That's the trick question. They're all white.
Fine.
So we like to decorate with layers of different colors of white. It really helps pop up the room. And then we have our accent color.
Is that where a lot of, using the reds as accent colors really finishes the product, finishes the room you're looking at, rather
it
than
does.
overpowering with red?
Exactly. You just need little hits of it. Like if you have, quite a pale room, but then
Yeah.
you wanted just a little hit of color, something like this lamp would be a perfect solution. It gives
Yeah.
a little bit of color. You don't have to live with it for the rest of your life if you don't
Right.
want to. It's a perfect little decor
Or a
piece.
little planter or what have you.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's lots of different reds. We're seeing reds trending towards more berry and more orange, and also burgundy reds are coming back, sort of the 80s burgundy that we
Well, that's
used
kind
to.
of a burgundy, right?
It's definitely starting
It's
to
like a
lean
Ron
toward.
Burgundy right there. There's also some red in wallpaper, and
Yes.
wallpaper to me has made a bit of a comeback in the last 5 or 6 years.
It has, used sparingly, as we sort of chatted about earlier
Right,
today,
right,
but
right.
It's definitely a way to create a little bit of drama on your walls, again, at affordable prices. So.
Yeah, or you could decorate your walls with other things.
Those are really fun. I was thinking more for a kid's room. Those would be great behind the bed. Just sort of a little bit of whimsy behind the bed would look pretty. So just little tips and tricks.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool, actually.
What is that?
It's a storage box, but it stores flat. So when you don't need it, it's flat. And when you do need it, you can pop it up.
Right.
And Rona's developed a cabinet that fits these perfectly. So it's a white cabinet, and you can buy a whole bunch of these and stock them in. So it's a really nice contrast, and it's just another way to add a little pop of color.
I like that. What's with these cards?
So those are really just little inspiration shots on some of the different whites and also the different reds, and just ways that you can use a trendy color.
Right.
Again, in a couple of years, green might be really in, and so you want to pop up your doors with green, and that's a way that you can do it.
I love colored doors.
They're fun. They
Yeah.
really invite you in.
Yeah. I just came over this way so I could sit on this red stool.
You've been waiting to do that.
And this is fantastic. It's actually
Yeah.
quite comfortable. It's springy.
It is. It's great because you can use it at bar height
Right.
if you have a bar height counter, or you
Right.
can use it at regular counter height.
Exactly. And it fits with our color scheme. And it's relatively inexpensive.
It is.
I'm surprised
It
at
really
the price.
is. And it's comfortable, and it comes in 3 different colors, and it's available at Rona as well.
Again,
so.
if you get tired of the red and theme and you want to do a different color, there are options out there.
Exactly.
Did you find all of this stuff at Rona?
I did.
Come on.
I went on a shopping spree and just.
You mean it's not just like 2x4s and everything over there?
It's more than wood.
Actually,
It's more than wood.
Rona
Yeah.
has developed a great line of products and to help out in every room, indoors and out. So it's fantastic. You're going to stick around.
Yes.
What are we going to do next?
We're talking outside.
We're going to go outside.